Hi YouTubers, this is Ems, and today I'm going to show you two Arduino projects which I built using this Ultimate starter kit. The first project looks like this, and the second project looks like this. For these two projects I need today this breadboard. I also need 220 ohms resistors. You can get the value of a resistor from colors on it, yeah, but sometimes it's very difficult, yeah, to recognize which color is which, yeah, and therefore I always check resistors with my multimeter to be 100% sure that value is correct. I also need for today's project these LEDs, a bunch of jumper wires, and of course an Arduino prototyping board with a long USB cable, yeah, for connecting to my computer. The first of the projects is very easy, yeah. Here you can see schematic, yeah. The one end of the LED is connected to the ground on Arduino board, and the other end is connected through the resistor to the pin 12, yeah. Maybe you are asking, why do I need a resistor there, yeah? The reason is very easy, yeah. There are actually two reasons, yeah. The first one is that datasheet says that you can source from the pin current that shouldn't exceed 40 milliamps, yeah. A specification for the Arduino UNO board says 20 milliamps, but this value is just a recommendation, yeah, but better to follow, yeah, recommendations. The same LEDs, yeah, they also don't like high currents, and for those which I have, the maximum current which is allowed is 30 milliamps, yeah, but this value is the maximum, yeah, current, so I would rather go to 20 milliamps, which is used for standard running, yeah, but it's always better to check datasheet for your LEDs, yeah. Let's take a look at a sketch, yeah, which drives our first project, yeah. It defines the pin 12 like LED red, and also defines delay 250 milliseconds. In the setup function, it says that pin 12 is going to be an output, yeah. And in the loop function, it just turns on, yeah, high, the LED, then it waits for 250 milliseconds, then it turns off the LED, and again waits for 250 milliseconds. If you don't know what these functions do, yeah, check my previous video or check the Arduino reference. And now I'm going to upload the sketch, yeah. So take a look at it, yeah. And now you know how to connect LEDs to your Arduino board. And let's move to the second project. In the second project I use 5 LEDs which are connected to the common ground, yeah, and then each is connected through a resistor to a different pin, and this way I can control each LED individually, yeah, from the program, yeah. So let's take a look at a sketch. It defines 5 pins, yeah, which are used, and also it defines delay, which is 250 milliseconds. In the setup function I just tell, yeah, that pins which are used are all output pins, and in the loop function they're just digital write and delay functions called, and the loop function just turns on and turns off LEDs, yeah, individually in order, yeah, one LED after another with a small delay between these steps, yeah. So let's upload this sketch to see how it's going to work, yeah. And here it is, yeah. Each LED is turned on individually, yeah. Here it is in detail, yeah. Here you can see connections to the board. Yeah, there is a common ground and then connection to LEDs. Okay guys, so that's it for today, yeah. I hope it was useful for you and you've learned something new, yeah. So thank you for watching and see you next time.